Buongiorno. It's raining again.
Absolutely terrible. It's a joke, man. And it's a joke.
So we're sat underneath some corrugated shelter, waiting for it to stop because we're not. Well, I am not cycling in that fucking rain again. I mean, it's been raining since we set off, really, but when it's pouring down like this, it's like it takes it out of you, I think. So
it was drizzle when we left. Now it's like monsoon.
Torrential. So I'm gonna sit here for max of 2 hours, pray that it stops. If not, we're gonna have to venture back out into it, find a shop, and get the tents set up. But I can't see it carrying on for another 2 hours. Well, I'm not gonna jinx it, but you'll either see an alright me later on, or a ranting, raving, angry Chris later on. So
I didn't even park the bike in the right place, man. It's getting even worse, isn't it? We're gonna be stuck here for hours.